I knew I heard it. I'm in town, suburb. There's not going to be any pictures on this because it's pitch black. It's about 3 in the morning. I love that sound. Oh, while they're quiet, I was going to say this is a barred owl, Barred. Now, we went camping all the time along the river. That's usually the only time we could hear that owl hooting. Hopefully you can hear that. I remember as a kid, we were on a tour at the conservation office or whatever, and they were demonstrating this call amongst others. It's such a cool sound. Now the weirdest sounds you'll hear when you're camping along the riverbank and it's pitch black because there's no street lamps or nothing is when these owls are going at it, talking to each other, and then you start hearing the raccoons fighting each other. That makes for some interesting noises out in the woods. I don't know if you can hear that, but they're really getting going now. I just heard 3 more, and this is all in town. What's really cool, sometimes early morning when the owls are still talking, sometimes the turkeys will start gobbling at each other, and then the owls will start hooting and the turkeys will gobble. This is crazy because, as in many suburbs and cities and towns, animals have been moving in over the years, little by little. But I don't hardly ever hear owls this much in town, but I'm hearing them a lot tonight. But we get a lot of hawks in town. There are coyote that sneak around here. Then, of course, you got your possum, skunk, raccoon. I was hoping the owls would keep hollering at each other. It's such a cool sound. It's a beautiful morning. I'm guessing maybe 50 degrees out right now. It's awesome. Well, they're getting quiet, so I'll cut this video short. Thanks for checking it out.